Canada is a hotspot for many international students looking to get a degree or further their education abroad. Canada is a reasonably diverse and accepting society, which means that international students will feel welcome regardless of their social background. The Canadian education system prides itself on being a world leader in research while still remaining accessible to all types of students. All of this plus more is what makes Canada a top location to study across the world. If you've done the research about studying in Canada as an international student, you may be interested in starting the student visa application process. Within this process, you will need to gather a number of supporting documents to support your application and prove that you are a great candidate to study in Canada. In this video, I will be going over these supporting documents in detail, so let's get started. Proof of acceptance. Before successfully applying and getting approved for a Canadian study permit, you must first obtain a letter of acceptance from a Canadian school. If you have been conditionally accepted, meaning you need to take prerequisite classes, you must complete these courses before you start your main study program. In this case, you may be granted a short period of stay study permit, and a new one will be needed when starting your main course of study. Proof of identity. Anyone who is immigrating to Canada on a study permit must show a valid passport or travel document and 2 recent passport-size photos of themselves. Proof of financial support. You must prove that you have the financial funds to support yourself and any dependents that may come with you to Canada. You can do this through a Canadian bank account, a guaranteed investment certificate from a Canadian financial institution, proof of education or student loan, bank statements, plus more. You can find the full list of fund requirements for a student visa in the description below. A few other documents that you may need to provide include a letter of explanation, which is a letter that helps the immigration officer understand more about you and your goals. This should explain why you want to study in Canada and that you understand the responsibilities as a student in Canada. A Quebec acceptance certificate, also known as a CAQ, if you want to study in Quebec for longer than 6 months. A custodian declaration if the student is still a minor. And additional documents depending on your case, which you will be contacted about if needed. If you are interested in applying for a Canadian student visa, there is an immigration professional at VisaPlace ready to help you throughout the process. We have helped many young adults take the step to study in Canada and help them present themselves as a great candidate to reach success. To stay updated and learn more about Canadian student visas, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our weekly newsletters, or read our informational blog at VisaPlace.com. To get started with the immigration process, book a consultation to speak with an immigration professional today.